future fade here. Ignore all this mousse everywhere, child. I just stopped my hair. But I recorded this when I came home from the gym after washing up and everything. So my face, lips, everything is ashy. Do not come on here judging me. Okay. Hey child, welcome back to the channel. If you hear noise in the background, my husband is watching a football game. Eventually you may just hear him scream. He doesn't care anything about you hearing what I have to say. Okay. So first of all, before I start this video, I want to say, hey new subscribers, I see you, especially to the ones of you who have followed me and let me know, listen, I don't plan on buying anything you just reviewed. I just watched this video because I like you. Thank you, boo. So I really appreciate the fact that y'all hit subscribe to come spend some time with your girl. So thank you. So in this particular video, I am going to be reviewing some Clariol's Daughters products. I have not purchased a collection from Clariol's Daughters since years ago when the Black Vanilla line came out. I was not a fan of the line, so I have not purchased anything since then. I bought one conditioner in all of these years. So I was on Instagram. I saw this. It is a Wash Day Delight water to foam shampoo. Realistically, I only bought it because the bottle is pretty. I had no intention of reviewing this on my channel. I watched a review from a YouTuber that I just recently learned of.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey.
If you do not know who she is, follow her, especially to my type 4 girl. She has a lot of really entertaining, very informative videos. So anyway, when I watched her review of this product, I also saw that she had this. I didn't even know this existed. It's a new collection from Clariol's Daughter called the Goddess Strength collection. So I decided based off her review to go ahead and try it for myself. So here's the thing. When I recorded the Taraji videos, some of my videos be on private and y'all just not see it. But this one I'm actually recording and uploading today. But when I did that, my hair got really dry. But because I'm getting ready to try a shampoo, in order to really give myself a fair chance, I'm going to pre-poo with some Aussie Moist conditioner. Why? Because if you shampoo truly dry hair, the shampoo may strip your hair, so it'll become even drier. You'll have tangling and matting and different things like that, and I'm not in the mood to deal with it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and off camera pre-poo my hair with some Aussie Moist, and then we're going to look at the shampoo and the rest of this collection together. Yeah. All right, so my hair has been pre-pooed, so let's go on and get the show started. So this is the Clariol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Love at First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo with Aloe. I wish these companies would just minimize the names of these products. Like, girl, just get to the dang point. So it say no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no artificial colors. Cool. So I am excited to try something new, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit cynical just because, first of all, I don't really care about shampoos anyway. Number two, with this basically being micellar water technology, it's pretty much really liquidy, like basically water. I feel like it could be easily wasted, and then also it just kind of seems like an unnecessary product, but at the same time, I'm always down to try something new. Let's just go ahead and get to it. So the instructions say to wet your hair, put this on your scalp, rub it in, and work it into a lather. Now, I will go into detail about it while they say the benefits of and all the other good jazz, but I'll just say this. Go to Target.com, look this product up, and you can read it for yourself. I'm going to just tell you if I like it or not. So it says to put it on your scalp and rub it into a lather. Okay, the smell, it smells like dish soap. Now, going into this with hair that has been pre-pooed, so my hair is very soft, and I feel like as I'm rubbing this in, the softness is going away. I feel like I'm washing my hair with dishwasher liquid. I feel like my hair is being stripped, and I feel it almost instantly, but I'm gonna keep going, you know, keep going. No, this is coming out now. I'll be back. For my experience with this so far, it's not terrible by far in my experience, but my hair does feel a little stripped, and that bothers me only because the twist that I had in at the beginning of this video had been in for a little bit, and I had put melanin hair care cream in there every day, so that was on my hair, and then I also conditioned for 5 minutes with Aussie Moist before I washed my hair. And so for me to feel even a little bit of stripness after using this when I had those really good products on my hair bothers me, because if my hair was absolutely dried out when I put this on, this would strip me and make detangling horrible. It's cute, and I'll just leave it there. So next product, I really hope I love this. It's the new Goddess Strength and Length System. One use equal 15 times stronger hair. That's quite a claim. So it's a fortifying conditioner for weak, breakage prone hair. No parabens, petroleum, mineral oil, or artificial colors. It has castor oil, ginger, black cumin seed. That sounds amazing. I hope I love this. So I'm actually gonna go re-wet my hair so I can apply this to really wet hair. But what I wanna show you is thick. And I like my products thick like my body. All right, so I re-wet my hair and I'm really kind of sad that that shampoo was a little stripping for me. And I'm just like, I really wanted to like it because the bottle is so freaking cute. But once I move and I have my little display behind me, it's gonna sit up there because honey, she's cute. I'm not gonna lie, as I'm putting this on, the smell is starting to irritate me a little bit. It kind of got like a little stain to it after it's been sitting for a while. It gets a little strong. So my conditioner is applied. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes like they say. I'm probably gonna do it a little longer, put my little shower cap on, get under the dryer. So listen, if you're new here, I bought the wrong size shower caps. Do not come in my comments with your judgment. I'm not interested. Judge your mama. I swear every time I see these shower caps, it says me, honey, this whole look like a pillowcase. You heard me? I'll be back. All right, so I left the conditioner on for like 10 minutes by itself. Then I got under the dryer with the shower cap for probably like 3 to 5 minutes. And I rinsed it out. My hair feels very moisturized. It has slipped. My fingers are easily getting through my hair. So I like that. The only downfall to this is the smell. I do not like it. It does not stink, but it's heavily perfumed. It was just overbearing. I live for a good smell, honey. I like it, but this was a bit much. But I do like this. My hair does feel, it feels stronger. Like, I don't know what else to say. I like it. All right, so this is the leave-in. It's called the Divine Strength Leave-In Cream. Everything that I said about the conditioner applies to this. It sounds good. Let me tell you how dramatic this is. It says, strength makes a woman a goddess. Get hair that's instantly stronger with our goddess. Because you got to whisper goddess, our goddess strength system that helps support the strength of hair as it gets longer. Hair is stronger between washes and better resists breakage so it can maintain its length. It sounds real good, so let's just see if it feels good. But you had to throw some, little drama, little theater, got to get entertained. This is irritating. I don't like pump bottles. It's just personal preference. There's nothing wrong with it by far, but I prefer squeeze, get it over with. Is that lazy? Whatever. I don't want to get carpal tunnel for my product. This is thick. I can smell the black cumin. Black cumin got a spicy smell. It's kind of like a peppery type smell, and I can smell it. This leave-in feel amazing. It ain't been on 30 seconds yet, and I can tell you right now, I'm in love. Love of my life, you are my friend. Oh, you know you my friend. Once again, smell is overbearing, but I like this product. Wait a minute, I used a lot. How I'm down here already? Am I tripping? Was this not full when I got it? What the hell going on? Okay. Future fade hair. So the bottle was full when I got it, but because I loved it so much, I didn't realize I put that much on. I just kept pumping and pumping and pumping. So it wasn't their fault. It wasn't Target's fault. It was my fault. I went ham. This feels so freaking good. This feels good. Oh, baby. Welcome to the family. Yes, she's gonna be here for a while. At my Target, it had a shampoo, a conditioner, the leave-in, and an oil. So let me wrap this up because it didn't have a styler, and I ain't gonna drag this video just for the hell of dragging it. This is really good. This is bomb AF. I'm always gonna keep this in stock. This, I really like it, and I can't complain about it. My favorite deep conditioner for the same purposes that this has is Texture ID. The only difference is this gives the claim of 15 times stronger hair, and it's really working to keep your hair strong to maintain your length. So it's a length retention system. This is amazing. Only thing I can say is I'm not a fan of the smells. But other than that, this is super bomb. I high-key recommend this to you all. I'm not someone who's crazy about shampoo anyway. I like what I like, and what I like is Texture ID. I bought it for the aesthetic. It didn't make my hair feel terrible by far, but I did feel like my hair was stripped, and I did not want it to be stripped because I am just getting over a bout of dry hair, and I wasn't willing to let it get stripped all the way down. So I rinsed this off pretty quickly. For me to be pre-pooled and still feel stripped, I do not encourage you to ever use this if your hair is dry, because it definitely, I feel like, will cause tangling and matting. So that's it for this. I'm gonna style it off camera with whatever I find. Baby, listen, it feels so freaking soft. I am so thoroughly impressed. Wow, they won with this. They won with this. They won. All right, so I'm gonna go. Bye.